warm welcome to Sarvesh Art Tutorials. I am Sarvesh. So, this is our first video of our Independence Day special week. You don't know about this special week? Okay, so first I will give a short information about this special week. We are going to make 5 art and crafts this week. Independence Day special week starts from today and ends on Sunday, means Independence Day. So, the art and crafts we are going to make this week is this. So let's get started. First we have to take 3 sticks. I have colored it in the India flag color and I have cutted it in half. So now flip it and make sure that the curved side is in the left. Do this in the other sticks. Okay, so now take another stick and cut into half like this. Okay, so take the first half and apply glue and stick it in the bottom of orange stick and white stick. And apply glue in the second stick also and stick it in the between of white and green. So for giving the strength on the edges, I have cutted the stick into half and I have cutted it in vertical. So take the first piece, apply glue and stick it on the top and stick it in the bottom. So what it will do is it will stick the 3 sticks together. So you can see that I have sticked it now. Now take the brown stick. I have sticked it in a cross sign. You can see that I have a small V in the bottom and a big V in the top. Now stick the flags on the top of this like this. After sticking it, we'll make a stand because it is a flag stand. We have made the flag. Now we have to make the stand. So you can see that the flags are drying now. So take it aside. Now take a small piece of paper and you can see that I have sticked the 3 sticks together and I have cutted in the both sides. So we have to make 2 pieces like that. Now take Fevicol and stick on the bottom and the top. So you can see that our stand is ready and also our flags are ready. So first we have to stick the bottoms into this gap. I have forgot to say that we have to leave a small gap between the 2 signs. So like this we have to stick it. After sticking I will show it and our flag stand will be ready. So you can see that our flag stand is ready now. I think you have liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. More DIY videos are waiting because this is